Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is about health problems. All right? We've made a pharmacy here, and now let's see some of the students who act some of the sicknesses. Ready? Let's see them.
Hi, doctor. Welcome. What is the matter with you? I have a very strong cough. Lay down there, please. Now I give you some pills. You take it 2 times a day.
Okay, now we are ready to see 2 other students who act another sickness.
Hi, doctor. Welcome. What's the matter with you? My body is itching. Oh, you have a chickenpox. I will give you a skin cream. You take it 2 times a day.
What's wrong with you? I have a broken hand. Okay, come with me. Take this medicine.
Thank you.